Welcome to Automania YouTube channel, the most complete automotive channel in YouTube. New for 2018. The Wrangler JK gets 3 new special edition models for the 2018 model year: the Golden Eagle, Freedom Edition and the Altitude. The 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK is a previous generation model that will be sold alongside the all-new 2018 Wrangler. Trim levels, interior and exterior options. The older Wrangler JK comes standard with 4-wheel drive and is available in 2-door guise or a 4-door called the Unlimited. Wrangler Sport. The base Sport trim comes with 16-inch steel wheels, Dana front and rear axles, cloth upholstery, and an 8-speaker audio system. Wrangler Sport S. Moving up to the Sport S trim gets you 17-inch alloy wheels, air conditioning, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wrangler Willys Wheeler. The Willys Wheeler comes with 17-inch gloss black wheels, 32-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, or 3.73 ratio limited slip differential, gloss black grille and bumper accents, voice command, Bluetooth, a USB port, and suspension tune for off-road use. Wrangler Freedom Edition. One of the special edition models on the Wrangler JK, the Freedom Edition gets Oscar Mike fender badges and seat embroidery, 17-inch alloy wheels and grille in low-gloss granite crystal finish, body-colored fender flares, heavy-duty rock rails, black taillight guards and fuel filler door, steel front and rear bumpers, silver accents on the interior, and iron grey grab handles, door pulls and vent rings on the dash. Wrangler Sahara. One of the more comfort-oriented trims. The Sahara adds 18-inch alloy wheels, side steps, embroidered cloth upholstery, automatic headlights, and LED fog lights. Wrangler Altitude. Based on the Sahara trim, the Wrangler Altitude body-colored headlight accents, front and rear bumpers, a black Jeep badge, heated front seats, 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, liquid titanium air vent surrounds and door and instrument panel grab handles, and black taillight guards and fuel filler door. Wrangler Rubicon. The Rubicon is the most off-road capable model and comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, locking front and rear axles, LED headlights, LED fog lights, and an upgraded 4-wheel drive system with a 4:1 low range ratio. Wrangler Rubicon Recon. Building on the Rubicon trim, the Rubicon Recon gets heated front seats, leather upholstery, red seat belts, winch-capable steel front and rear bumpers, Dana 44 front axle and cast differential covers, a vented hood, automatic climate control, remote start, and the connectivity group, which adds voice command, a tire pressure monitor, and Bluetooth. Wrangler Golden Eagle. One of a number of special edition models available, the Wrangler Golden Eagle comes with a tan-colored soft top, golden center and side hood decals, body-colored grille and fender flares, bronze tow hooks, Golden Eagle logos on the front seats, and 17-inch alloy wheels with bronze accents. Key features include a choice between soft and hard top roofs, a locking limited slip differential keyless entry, a 9-speaker Alpine audio system, and navigation with a 6.5-inch touchscreen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.